The high minister in the world is the Tinubu that have it. Tinubu have the highest minister in the world. You understand me? 48 ministers, he never exists on earth. What did they work for? What they work? What do we see? You can get 48 minister, 48 minister, car, house, everything. Advisors, 22 advisors for one man. What are you doing with the advisors? And 48 ministers, nothing. So we are consuming, drawing, no, consuming and drawing, but there's nothing you can deliver. So we are all dying in Tinubu problem. The sense not there to rule. Capability, capitality, you know they. Thinking faculty, you know they. Planning a nation, you know they. All is zero. So Tinubu come in to turn Nigerian like this. He now claim that they want to make Nigerian better. We should have to give it. Even when we give Tinubu chance for 220,000 years, Tinubu cannot make it. You don't get the wisdom. There's no wisdom for Tinubu.
In the next 1 year now, you don't see any difference.
Let him run away. Let Tinubu run. No way. Run away for that place. He can't make it. Goodluck got him out. Yabi? When Goodluck got him out, he said he go against Goodluck and he remove him for power. Because he called him out. But seeing Tinubu very well, understand me? Seeing his conduct, that means Goodluck was right to call him out. Because what we see Tinubu is just nothing we can write him about.
Is it that Tinubu didn't plan well enough for?
He planned, he failed him. Agbo character no be a written person character. Nigeria no be my country. Now 270-something language. 37 states. I don't put Abuja. You know it's easy for you to sit down and rule source nation. No be one culture. Eh? No be one language. So you must have power to rule source nation. Igbo man is here importing all manners of fake. Igbo man is here importing all manners of what? Fairly used. What they don't agree to Kumbo, to the nation.
Sorry, before we go there, what's your reaction or your take as regards the cyber security that this government just include?
Because Yoruba is in cyber security, Igbo is in cyber security. Now let me tell you what's wrong in Nigeria. What's wrong in Nigeria? We cannot walk up and say, if they see say 100%, 80% is our tribe are in something, and the tribe of that person 9 days in power, you know, you see to break. Eh? We don't get one mind to say, okay, this thing you know could let all of us wake up and destroy it. Cyber security you know go work for this government. And let me tell you, nothing can work in this government because the government is not upping the foundation of living standard of life. Truth is not being told. People don't talk truth. People don't be in the truth section in Nigeria. Everybody are lying, trying to cover their people. Lying, trying to do this, No! You're not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be a rooted nation that everybody speak truth. You don't do well. You don't do well. Let us speak like that. Let us not to compromise that, oh, it's my brother. That's my brother. Let me make this be like this. Yeah? Because when Goodluck was ruling, Yoruba do govern for him. Eh? When he want to remove subsidy, but now Tinubu is removing subsidy, even excess. Yoruba keep quiet. That means you are supporting your brother and leave other tribe. You understand me? If other tribe come in now and Nigerian be like this, Yoruba go make noise, die. But Yoruba don't make noise, they are silent. So the Yoruba'S are hypocrite. They are pure hypocrite. Because the way you act for Tinubu, for Goodluck, the way you act for Tinubu. You understand me? The way you do for Goodluck, do one for Tinubu. Let us see your readiness, your what, your neatness, your power, who you are, your integrity. But you do that for Goodluck because it was not your tribe. But in Tinubu now you keep mad shot and we Ankara everywhere. Suffer hell. Turn everybody to Agboru. Everybody become Agboru now to survive. So Yoruba destroy the country. Talk through to Tinubu. Bros, you are our brother. What can we do? You don't talk. You don't talk. You now keep your mouth shut. But if another person come out, you go shout. That's why you become hypocrite. If Yoruba are function, they could have tell Tinubu, say, Tinubu, this kind of government, we don't want it. Please, so can you adjust? Can you change? Or can you resign? But they give your mouth shut. They give them suffer the consequence. When Tinubu come to this thing, Yoruba shout, Ebing Bami. They shout for Tinubu, say, Conquer, don't kill them. Tinubu come, Ebing Bami, Conquer, don't kill them. So Yoruba should wake up and say, what you do to us is not good. Not to say, my brother, then the Tinubu, they spoil things, they go. He say one correct tax for everybody. You know, he removes us, he one correct tax. He say all the privatization, all this enterprise must pay tax. And now ask him, are you paying subsidy for us? There's no sense to rule. People don't have sense for rulership. They have sense for rulership because they fix Nigeria. Yoruba are all corner of Nigeria. Now then control all office. So their brother could help him to fix Nigeria. But Tinubu cannot make anything. Their brothers are the ones that appear everywhere. In hospital, in everywhere, is Yoruba'S. So why don't you help your brother to fix the nation? In railway, in air force, in everywhere in Yoruba, why don't you help your brother to fix the nation? Your brother ruined now, but there's nothing we see. So call Tinubu to step down or resign. You cannot make it. You know how brain of rulership, you have brain of Agboro brain you have. Agboro brain. Agboro don't help Nigeria. Maybe Agboro go before sorrow.
But lastly, about whereabouts, do you actually think Tinubu is in Nigeria presently? Do you think because people they want to know where to?
Tinubu, I don't think he's in this country. He has disappeared. He has hide. Does that mean?
Because of the pressure.
The pressure is too much. I can limit up. I can dollar become one something. That dollar now kill him now. That dollar kill Tinubu now. That dollar weak him. Inflation. Nigeria 1,000 nothing. It's a problem now. It's a boss problem now in the dollar. Let me tell you how it become about problem. Maybe you don't understand. Understand me? Dollar make our currency to become useless. So you have paper, many paper as Nigerian currency, but they have no weight. You can carry money for this truck, you have no weight. You carry money for big animals, you have no weight. So when our money not have weight, our country die. You understand me? Economy die because money have no weight. So if money have weight, the nation strong. Our currency is useless. So that's why dollar is sucking the nation dry. Because dollar is supposed to hide at that. For no nation, the dollar hide at that. So we need to understand what is going on. The power of Nigerian is not based in the hands of the Yoruba to help. Understand me? It's not based in the hands of Yoruba to help. It's based in our hand to help because we know the truth. Understand me? No be Yoruba man go help Nigeria. No be Igbo man go help Nigeria. Now we go help the country because we know the truth. And we can speak the truth boldly without fear. So the Igbo man go speak the truth with fear because he say they're corrupt. Yoruba man go speak the truth with fear because he say they're corrupt. But when all of us come to reality, we speak the truth in love to save our nation, then we go free. So Tinubu cannot make it. So that is what you need to see. Tinubu cannot make it.
Well, at least, let's just say we give him at least 1 year.
No! We should resign. He should resign, no more 1 year. Tinubu should resign. If Tinubu be like this, how many months now? We be like this. I mean, if Tinubu reach 4 years, we go collapse. You never know what is going to happen. We go collapse. Bros, check Tinubu in manifestos. You see nothing good in his plan. Yeah, I come with 7-point agenda. Abi? He tried to work on 7-point agenda. Tinubu don't have one agenda. You don't have one agenda. You know, say, want to fight security? He said, Emiloku, finish. Now my turn. What agenda did Tinubu have to run? No agenda. So Tinubu run only ordinary paper, without nothing writing inside.
But isn't that change Lagos?
He don't change. Lagos was the former federal government. He don't change Lagos. He don't do anything to Lagos. He go and tell the BBC that as far as he turned Lagos to as a nation, he must turn Nigeria, but he cannot do it even for even 200 years. Because Lagos was the former federal capital. He can't change Ondo. He can't change Ogun. That Ogun said he can't do it. What area did he have? Capital was capital. 30 years of development. He said 9 developed Lagos. Are you giving people food for free for Lagos? Eh? What do you do in Lagos? Now go to do in Osun, you cannot. Okay, Gunye, you cannot. He said Lagos. Lagos was the former federal capital for 30 years. So Tinubu was lying for people. Sinobi turned Lagos was the capital, FCT. That's what Lagos get this way. It's the capital, FCT. It's a former FCT, not be Tinubu. So don't expect Tinubu for anything. He do nothing. He do nothing. Check Tinubu, he do nothing. Nothing. The man is empty cup, nothing. Nothing can do. Because why? You don't have anything inside him to deliver. What you have is what you deliver. What is the president? They're hiding. The man really, where I see everything, president is being hiding. Because it's a terrible thing for all to see this kind of government that so it shocked everybody. Because all mandate was so submitted to Tinubu, even Tinubu said that nobody should cry for him. See the man, he applied for this office. So we think that Tinubu could have done like that under 100 days. You get my point? Tinubu can make Nigeria to become, we could have hope.
But it's almost 1 year.
We almost 1 year. Tinubu is not, he can't even do anything. Get my point? All what we hear is to share money, share paradigm, nothing, nobody see it. So I think Tinubu is running. Maybe he will resign or running away. He cannot make it. That mean? And you don't see him. He's not active, he's not buoyant, he's not speaking. Does that mean? You need to speak, not to active. You need to tell Nigeria, this I'm your president, this, nothing. Does that mean? We don't see Tinubu, we don't know where he's about, so everything just be like that. So Nigeria don't go about their own. Nobody is being moved into anywhere. Meanwhile, tariff is increasing, light is increasing, all this now. They use mad to rule Nigeria, rice don't come down, it's still the same thing, everything the same thing. Everything is increasing. Everywhere has stopped. No movement, no development, no prosperity, nothing. Salary, no increment. Things are higher they go. To eat, to drink, to survive is no easy. Everybody else they run looking for only their stomach, nothing to plan. Get my point? So there's no plan, only to stop. We are stopped for what? For many years now. For 1 month now, we are just stopped.
Almost 1 year.
They say that Tinubu enter power, we start to suffer. Till now, we still suffer. We don't have hope yet that it will be better, even for a child. So we are dying in Tinubu government. So if Tinubu want to hide himself for shame, then hide yourself and run away. Hide yourself for shame and run away. Because you have nothing to deliver. The campaign that Tinubu made was so powerful. He said nobody should talk to him, nobody should cry for him. That word was too terrible when I hear him speak. So nobody should cry for him. That he already applied for the office for long. That he will fix Nigeria. But to our surprise, what happened now is too terrible that we don't even know what happened. So I hide, run away, or he be in vacation, or he be in what medical treatment, because the last time I see he was standing like this. Does that mean? And he was standing like this. And now said, you see what the ship? What happened to him that he stand like this? Someone go and greet him, he was standing like this. Maybe he's not medical fit, they don't want to tell Nigerians. So the media cannot speak the truth. This is where Tinubu is. This is what happened to Mr. President. We all living in what? Silent movement of death. Yoruba cannot talk. They cannot make noise because it's their brother. People cannot finish Yoruba. Yoruba cannot protest. Say why this kind of government be? They too suffer the consequence of it and they keep their mouth shut. It now become a storm. It become a curse. Because when you suffer, you cannot talk. It become a curse to you. Yoruba is supposed to wake up and say, Tinubu, this is not what you promised us. But Yoruba keep their mouth shut because of what Tinubu is my brother. So these are the problem we have. So Yoruba should stop being hypocrite. Because I know say you face heat. Only Lagos now you survive with because of population. Yoruba is the population break in Lagos. Or maybe they say go now by how will you survive? You need to understand that you must plan something. If this man put in bondage, start to top. Then Yoruba then Nigeria don't say, okay, Yoruba don't start to top. say this man, what he do is not, but you stop supporting him as hypocrite. So they can help your brother. Nobody that want to help his brother don't go tell his brother truth. Tell your brother truth. Stop supporting hypocrite. You don't want to talk because my brother.
Maybe they're enjoying now. Maybe they're enjoying.
They are not enjoying. They are paying. They are, easy for them. If not a gentle agreement, if not house rent, or if not being a boss for road, you are going for so the only thing will sustain them is a gentle agreement, boys for road, that borrow for road, boss for road, and house rent. That's what makes you to move on. If not that, you buy for cry. People cry because you need to understand. So everything is tough, no movement. Even upon that what they get, they cannot move on. They can't save. Nobody can save. Can't save any money. Can't expand. Guys cannot marry. They don't give you rent as a marry.
I cannot marry.
Ladies everywhere, you are frustrated, touching people and die. Does that mean?
Don't marry again.
Ladies are frustrated because nobody can marry them. Who can bring us to marry wife? Who can package himself to marry wife?
No money.
So everybody has stopped. Not only all Yoruba, everybody has stopped. So you need to understand that Tinubu has failed the nation. Tinubu has failed Nigeria. Tinubu has turned Nigeria to dust. I will never give up until I die. Tinubu, if you cannot rule, leave it. It's not a game. It's not a crime. It's not a crime. If you tell Nigeria and say, oh, Nigeria was thinking that I can be able to do it, but when I come in, nobody will plan. Let me step out. That is it.
But Africans, we have that pride, Africans have that pride of not.
No, the pride we have. We have wicked heart. The heart of love cannot do like that. The heart of wickedness. So when you cannot do something, you see, you are wicked. But you cannot do something, you say, I can't do it. Let me step out. It's better. It's better. Everyone will honor you. And you walk away. People will honor you and respect you. But when you not do something, you want to die, you are killing yourself. So Tinubu is killing himself because why? The headache is too much. Now, dollar is, they say don't come, it's still 1.4. Is that dollar supposed to be 1.4?
That was not a method.
The dollar is supposed to be even more than, what did the dollar say? You are straight tired. Understand me? What did the dollar? Dollar come to 1,000 something, even put on top. Dollar to be 500 in Nigeria is a taboo. Dollar to be 200 to $1 is a taboo. Dollar is supposed to be 1 naira to $1. They see how much the dollar is, and they say you are ruling. The central bank come the way they bring a Yoruba man, say that it's better than MFL. How would MFL do? Still exist. It is stop it. We still buy POX, use money to buy money. The central bank come, they stop it. What the central bank come to do when they remove MFL and carry Yoruba man? He change things in central bank. He change the orientation of saving money. They still scam us in the bank. We still use POX to cash POX. Use our money to cash our money. You get my point? Before they used to put money to person. When you bank, they're going to put something for you. But now no more. That's what I mean. They are using POX. Use bank to cash bank. Use your money to buy your money. Is it that the new governor of central bank, who be Yoruba man, he change it?
Kadozo.
So what is Tinubu even plan? What did he do?
Wait, do you not think that his cabinet, his people that his ministers, people that are working with him, do you not think they are too cold? They're not functioning, they're not working.
48 ministers, I've never seen that in the world. 20-something advisors